Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how we can exchange coins on the Binance app. So the first step is go to Binance, and now we go to our profile in the left corner here in the Binance logo. So we pick here in the right corner in the superior part of the page. We pick here, and now we are in settings, and we pick here in currency, and that's it. You got all the coins you can buy, you can change. So I got USDT, for example, USD, and we go here again. We can see the price of the money, the price of the coins, and that's it. That's the process. That you can change the coin, and this is an easy process to do. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you.